everyone, my name is Shivani and I'm a licensed immigration consultant based in Ontario, Canada, and I'm also the founder of Zeste Immigration Services Incorporation. Today in this video, we'll be talking about digital nomads. So ever since Canada launched its new tech talent strategy, digital nomads has become a significant topic of conversation and everyone is waiting to receive new and more updates on this. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes guys, Canada is welcoming digital nomads. If you want to become a digital nomad in Canada, you do not need a work permit. As of June 2023, Canada has declared that digital nomads working for a foreign company can work in the country for up to 6 months and enter Canada through the same process as they would if they were a tourist. That means on a visitor's visa. Digital nomads can come to Canada for up to 6 months and work remotely in tech roles. Digital nomads are defined as people who travel freely while working remotely using technology and the internet. Under Canada's tech talent strategy, the IRCC minister did also talk about Canada's digital nomad scheme, promoting Canada as a destination for digital nomads. A digital nomad is a person who can perform their job remotely from anywhere in this world. Under current Canadian immigration rules, a digital nomad only needs a visitor visa status to relocate to Canada for up to 6 months at a time while they perform their job remotely for a foreign employer. In the months ahead, IRCC will collaborate with public and private partners alike to determine whether additional policies to attract digital nomads to Canada would be desirable. IRCC expects that some digital nomads who initially enter Canada to work remotely will decide to seek opportunities with Canadian employers. When they receive a job offer from a Canadian company, they would be able to bring their skills to Canadian employer by applying for a temporary work permit and eventually permanent residence. So I hope you're able to see a screenshot on your screen right now. This is from the RCC website and this is the recent update. It's now available on the government website. You can see digital nomad scheme over here published on the RCC website. The processing time is 0 to 2 months. So digital nomads don't need a work visa to work remotely from Canada. You can visit for up to 6 months at a time. So this means to be a digital nomad in Canada, you do not need a work visa, but you just need a visitor's visa. Okay, so choose this option if you work for an employer outside of Canada, can do your job remotely, and want to experience Canada. So technically, you're working for a foreign employer, but you're living in Canada just to experience Canada. However, here's the good thing. In case of these digital nomads find a valid job offer in Canada, it would make them eligible to apply for a work permit based on that valid job offer. Now, if they're planning for permanent residency in Canada, finding an employment in Canada can actually help them a lot, since they can claim Canadian work experience points after working in Canada on a valid work permit. Also, majority of remote workers fall under STEM occupations, and hence they are quite likely to receive an invitation to apply for PR, since Express Entry is now also targeting STEM occupations. Moreover, many provinces are now focusing on tech sector and have introduced their tech sector PNP PR pathways, which will again help these digital nomads to get permanent residency in Canada faster. Now, how to travel to Canada as a digital nomad? The first thing you need to do is to determine what travel authorization you need to enter Canada as a visitor. The requirements differ depending on which country you're from. If you are a US citizen or a lawful permanent resident of the US, you're exempt from the requirement for a visitor's visa or an ETA, which is known as Electronic Travel Authorization. Well, in this case, if you are a US citizen or a permanent resident of US, you'll need to present Canadian Border Services with your American passport or your green card. For other countries, you will need either visitor's visa, or if you are from a visa-exempt country, you'll need an ETA, means Electronic Travel Authorization. I have provided a link in the description box below, which will help you determine whether you need a visitor's visa or an ETA, so please go ahead and check it out. Now, if you're looking for professional help with your ETA or visitor's visa application, then feel free to contact us. You can contact us at www.sascanada.ca. We'll be more than happy to assist you with your visa application. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon right there so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. If you wish to talk about your immigration case or if you wish to explore your immigration options, then feel free to contact us at www.sascanada.ca or simply go to the description box of this video, click the link, and book a consultation with me from there. Wish you all the best for your future. Take care. See you next time.